Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can mask out, or you can say how you can extract smoke from an image like this in Photoshop. So we are going to extract smoke only, and then we are going to place that smoke on this image. Okay, make sure to follow this tutorial till the end. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, let's unlock this layer and make sure to open the image itself as a new document. Okay, like I have opened, I do not have any another image inside this document. So what you have to do, first of all, unlock the layer itself and then press Ctrl or Command A to completely select the image, and then you have to press Ctrl or Command C to copy this complete image. Then you have to click on Add Layer Mask icon like this. Okay, now remember, you have to press Alt or Option key on your keyboard, then click inside this layer mask. Your document will change its color based on the color of your mask. It's because we are now inside layer mask. Okay, so we are inside layer mask, and now you have to press Ctrl V to paste that image which we copied earlier. Remember, Ctrl C, which is obviously this image. So now you can deselect this by pressing Ctrl or Command D on your keyboard like this. Okay, if you will click somewhere, it should be like this. Okay, next you have to add an extra layer, blank layer above this, and you have to clip this layer to this background layer. Okay, so let's name this BG. Okay, so you have to clip this new blank layer to this bottom layer. So what you have to do, right click and create clipping mask like this. Now find out Paint Bucket tool. It's on the toolbar on the left hand side, and if you do not see, it's under Gradient tool. Okay, find out Paint Bucket tool, make sure foreground color is white, completely white like this, and make sure this upper layer, blank layer, is selected and click somewhere like this. Okay, now select both these layers and press Ctrl or Command E to merge these two layers, and now use Move tool to bring that smoke inside this image on this inside this document. I'm decreasing its size, and you can see how clearly this smoke is extracted. You can utilize this anywhere. Okay, so this way you can easily extract smoke from any black and white image, and it's quite easy. Do not forget to clip the blank layer, and do not forget to press the Alt key to get inside layer mask. Okay, so you have to remember these two key points. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.